What if you bought masterpiece, it began to destroy itself? Was it a mistake, a prank, or the artist's final signature? London, October 2018. Inside Sotheby's auction house, collected waited with excitement. The walls glowed white, the air was full with quiet voices, and every eye turned to one small painting. Girl with balloon. A child reaching for a red heart-shaped balloon. Simple, iconic, hopeful. The bidding began. Prices climbed fast. Finally, hammer came down. Sold $1.4 million. And then something no one expected happened. The artist behind the work was Banksy, known for his secret identity and sharp humor. Banksy has painted this image on the street of London back in 2002. Over the year, it's become one of the most loved street art piece in this world. But Banksy often criticized the art market. He believed art was for people, not for millionaires at auctions. So when the painting appeared in a fancy golden frame at Sotheby's, Banksy has already prepared a surprise. Just seconds after the sale, a sound filled the room, a buzz like a hidden machinery. The painting began to slide downward. But as it passed through the frame, the canvas was slighted into split. Gasps, shock, phones recording. Half of the work was destroyed, half remained. Had the painting just been ruined, or had it just become something new? Later, Banksy revealed the truth. The frame had hidden cellar built inside, waiting for a moment. The stunt became world news. Critics call it greatest prank in art history. Some said it's marked the greed of the art market. Others saw it as a brilliant performance. But here is a twist. Instead of the losing value, shredded painting become even more famous and even more expensive. It has given new name. Love is in the bean. Art history is full of moments when artists challenge tradition. Duchamp with his urinal, Warhol with his soup can, and now Banksy with a self-destructing painting. By shading girl with balloon, Banksy asks us, what is really art worth? The object itself, or the story it's created? Perhaps this was not destruction, but transformation. A reminder that art can shock, disturb, and even laugh itself. In the end, what was once girls with balloon become something unforgettable, half whole, half destroyed, yet more alive than ever. Maybe that was Banksy's true message. Art cannot be owned. It can be trapped in a frame. Sometimes the greatest masterpiece is the moment itself.